Dirty, filthy, nasty, dirty, filthy, nasty, dirty, filthy, dirty, filthy, nasty.
Intro with the flow, it's pretty much invulnerable. Stab you with a pencil in the throat. The back of the paper to write something dope. Cause I'm a tyrant, low to the brain. Cut up in the vein with sharp skill. Hard to kill in these terrains. I waver the ripple effect in a triple complex. Yo, switch on to fetch my slang. God dang it, I bang sick. Hanging with the living dead camp crystal rip. Hit you with the pistol grip that's aiming at your chest plate. Then write an essay for weeks, days. And I slaughter your body decays in the street ways. The police ain't never coming this route. They knows what I'm about. And that's that. I keep it coming with a big fat batch out the culture's house. Of the proper shit. Get off the dick before I net up that esophagus. Something incredible, how I wet your throat. Thirsty or not, I'ma let you know.
Dirty, filthy, nasty, dirty, filthy, nasty, dirty, filthy, nasty. You cannot catch me.
A Mac with a Mac 10, blasting when I'm rapping, grinning evil death. How many people left when I finish laughing? I see 360 like the Exorcist, doing a backspin into a headspin. Death begins a twister, rapping till my lips blister. With the swish is sweet, I keep my cool deep. Enough for realist, my shit be the illest. Whole town cutthroat, tip your boat like Jason. Hop out of Crystal Lake, drag you under, drown on you folks. And that's no drama, no. I smacks it down like domino. At the table rapping hella proper, chopping up game like a helicopter with a tilted brim. Derail when I knock ya off track, cause y'all don't know how to rap, and I'm strapping marks in the parks, fucking with that San Jose gutter shark.
Dirty, filthy, nasty, dirty, dirty, filthy, nasty.
You know what I'm saying? My skills, dirty, filthy, nasty. My grimy, dirty, filthy, nasty. This girl's dirty, filthy, nasty. On my nuts, she's dirty, filthy, nasty.